Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, back with another Trash to Treasure video for you guys. And this one is the chalk painted edition. I know, it's what you guys have been waiting for. So let's get started. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that the whole chalk paint saga is like a running joke on my channel. Like everything I pretty much white chalk paint. But you know what? Sometimes things are just better chalk painted. So take for example these few items here. So these are items that I no longer want in my decor, and in their current state they don't look really that fantastic to sell. Like they're not that appealing. But I think with a little bit of white chalk paint, we can definitely bring them into a more fresh and modern style decor, especially the bike. You should see how the bike turns out. That is, I was so tempted to keep it, but no, I'm not going to. But you'll see when these projects are finished. Yeah, I think they definitely look a lot better than when they started with anyway. Now, I know these items would probably be easier spray painted, but to be honest, I just love the look and texture that chalk painting gives a piece. So that's why I actually chose to chalk paint them instead of spray paint them. But yeah, I ended up giving these items probably 2 to 3 coats of white chalk paint. And for some of them, that's all I did to them. And for others, I did a little bit more decorating after that. So to finish the bike off, I'm just winding some jute twine around the pedals and just securing that with some hot glue. And I also put some jute twine around the handlebars as well, just for a little bit of contrast. And then I also attached a piece of burlap to the seat of the bike and just secured that down with some hot glue and then tucked it under the seat just for a nice neat finish. And here's the bike all finished. I'm really happy with the way this has turned out. And I think this one is going to sell pretty quickly. If it does, I may even do my other little bikes the same sort of makeover and sell those as well. Oh, it's so tempting to keep this one. I really love it. So to finish off the duck, what I'm actually going to do is make some of my own white wax. Now, like I said in previous videos, here in Australia, we're a little bit behind with all of this sort of stuff. So I haven't really been able to find any light wax, white wax, or dark wax, or anything like that to use in my makeovers. So I'm having a go at making my own. I'm just using some beeswax furniture polish, and I'm just going to mix a little bit of a light blue color into that wax and then use that to wipe onto the duck. I'm then going to wipe all of this off, and then hopefully the blue will sort of stay on the duck and the white will be showing through in all the little crevices where the blue hasn't reached. That was my plan anyway, so I'm hoping it turns out. This is the first time I've ever done it, and I don't really think this is probably working quite the same way as a normal white wax or dark wax would, but yeah, I just thought I'd give it a go and see what happens. So I'm now going to just get like a wet wipe and just wipe all the excess off, and hopefully that gives me the desired look. So here's the finished duck, and I'm actually really pleased with the final look. I'm definitely going to tweak my technique and get it right, but yeah, it's definitely produced the desired effect that I was hoping for. And I feel this duck would work well in not only a farmhouse style decor, but also a Hamptons style of decor as well. Really happy with this one. For the other items, I did nothing more than just covering them in some white chalk paint. And I just feel this gives them, like especially this serviette holder, a nice shabby chic vibe. Here's the little park bench painted in white with a couple of lovebirds sitting on the seat. And then finally the sphere. Again, with it painted white and paired off with the right decor, it could fit quite easily in a Hamptons inspired decor house. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys, and maybe it's given you some inspiration to give your own decor a makeover if it's looking a little bit tired. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.